15 minutes after 6. Look at the clouds out there. It's interesting. I just took a look outside as well in the valley. We are seeing some breaks. We have a thick cloud deck. There's no doubt about that. But the winds are blowing fairly well. Still that onshore push, and that could scour things out fairly quickly in some spots today, particularly by the coast first, maybe slower inland. But it's just interesting this time of the morning. 63 degrees right now. Winds are calm. Today, very similar to yesterday. Like I said, we'll get some reverse cooling down towards the beach areas. 61 at the airport. 52 right now up into the high deserts. There are our wind advisories. Lancaster been extended out again till 9 o'clock out towards Coachella. If you go into Palm Springs, if you wait till after about 8 o'clock this morning, those will die down. You'll be breezy out there, but they'll go away as the high pressure will build in. The low kind of kicks itself off into the great state, big sky country, Montana. That high builds in for us. That will warm us up, particularly on the second part of the weekend. So what we're going to see for us will be clouds being more confined towards the coast, less inland, and that will allow things slowly to warm up for us as we make our way into the holiday weekend. You can see by Monday the valleys will stretch to 89 degrees, downtown 76. Beaches will see about 70. We'll see better clearing at the beaches as we make our way through the rest of the weekend as well. Inland Empire 70 today, high desert 74 with those winds, mountain 64 and 68 on Saturday.